If you've ever wanted to grab your visitors' attention the moment they land on your site, whether it's to announce a sale, promote a new product, or collect more email signups, then this video is for you. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how to create a promotional pop-up in Squarespace 7.1, step by step, so you can start converting visitors into customers right away. Let's get started. First, log into your Squarespace account. If your account is connected to Google, you can simply click Continue with Google for a quicker login. Once you're inside your dashboard, select the website you want to work on. Especially important if you manage multiple sites under one account. Now, on the left-hand menu, click on Pages. This is where all your website's content lives. From here, look for website tools. It might not be the first thing you notice, but it's where some of the most powerful site features are tucked away. Inside website tools, you'll see an option labeled Promotional Pop-up. Go ahead and click that. Here's where the fun begins. You'll see a toggle that lets you turn on your promotional pop-up. Switch it on, and just like that, your pop-up feature is activated. Now it's time to customize. You can edit the layout, design, and content of your pop-up to perfectly match your brand's look and feel. Keep your message short, clear, and focused. For example, instead of a long paragraph, try something like, "Get 10% off your first order. Join our mailing list today." Don't forget to include a strong call to action, something that encourages users to engage right away. Think buttons like Shop Now, Sign Up, or Learn More. You can also control when and how the pop-up appears. Maybe you want it to show up after a few seconds, or only when someone scrolls halfway down the page. Squarespace gives you options to fine-tune that timing, so you're not overwhelming visitors but still catching their attention at the right moment. Once you're happy with your design and settings, click Save, and your pop-up is live. It's that simple, and there you have it. You've just created a fully functional, beautifully branded promotional pop-up in Squarespace 7.1. Remember, the key is balance. Make it eye-catching, but not intrusive. A clean design with a clear offer will always perform better than something cluttered or overly flashy. If you found this helpful, give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick, practical Squarespace tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.